I'm Doug.
And I'm Cathy.
Join us as we follow the moon. Today, we want to take you at our last stop on our trip from Red Bay, Alabama. And we left early in the morning, drove from Red Bay over to Unadilla, Georgia. And this was our first RPI, Resort Parks International stay that we've ever had. When we did our recent upgrade with 1,000 Trails, we also got the RPI membership included with it. So join us as we take you to this park. Now, if you're not an RPI membership, you can still go in, and they also are Passport America, so you can get a really good deal with Passport America also. But this little park was a favorite. We were just there for one night, and I wouldn't have minded staying there for a little while longer.
Yes, I was pleasantly surprised.
So join us. Now, when you come off of Interstate 75, the park is about a mile off the interstate. And you come just a short way, you'll see a Scottish Inn motel.
Or the subway.
Turn right. There is a railroad crossing down here that does have a caution sign on it, but pulling our toad, we were nowhere near bottoming on it, so I think most people would be fine getting across there, but just proceed with caution. When we made that right-hand turn, we're actually coming up along beside the southbound lanes of Interstate 75. And you'll see the interstate there. See the interstate there on the right. And this is the entrance to the park.
It was well marked.
Yes, very easy to find. Beautifully landscaped, and right across from the entrance is the office. They were escorting everybody to their sites in golf carts. Adjacent to the office is their
community building.
Thank you, community room. And right beside that is a beautiful swimming pool.
And look at all those trees.
It's a beautiful property, and everything very well taken care of. Now, I had an opportunity while I was here to speak to a gentleman who's just been in this park for the last 2 weeks. It's just been under new ownership for the last couple of weeks, and he was telling me everything they've been doing as far as the mowing and the groundskeeping and everything that they've done to get this park in the shape that you're seeing here, and the plans that they have for it coming up. It's just shy of 200 sites. All of these on the left-hand side are 50 amp and pull-through. So easy in, easy out if you're just needing it for a night or just a short stay. There was another couple in a Tiffin 37 PA that we were talking to that were staying there for 3 nights on their way back to Michigan. This is the scene out the back of the property, and they do have plans to add some more sites here closer to the lake, so there'll be some lakefront sites, it sounds like, coming up, and they want to go up to 400 sites. But this little pond, I kept calling it a lake and he kept calling it a pond.
Yeah, it is kind of a pond.
it is really, really pretty. And there's a lot of nature around there. You'll start to see, there was a mama duck, and I never really was able to get a good count, but it looked like 10 or 12 little ducklings there with her.
That also made a beautiful sunrise.
Mm-hmm.
It was really nice, very peaceful. There's horses out there.
A lot of people walking dogs out there, and that the green space was being used and appreciated.
Look at her swimming under the tree. I think there were cows out there too, weren't there?
There was horses.
I know I saw the horses, and there were people riding those horses.
Now we'll come on around, the green space is there to our right, and we'll come on around and head back up towards the office. I do apologize for the lighting and the shadows. This was shot probably between 6 and 6:30 in the evening after we got in. But we liked this park so much from just first impression that we had to shoot the video on it.
And we were only there for one night, so it's not often that we shoot one that we're only going to be there overnight.
Now those doors that you see on the end of the office are a men's and ladies restroom. They're not a shower house, just a single bath. And right beyond that is the laundry facility. It was 4 washers, 4 dryers. I believe they were either $1.50 or $1.75 a load, and it was all quarters. Right beyond that was their dump station. And just beyond that on the right were some horseshoe pits.
Everything was so green.
Now here in this little island, they had a real nice little fire pit set up. There was nobody using it the evening we were here, but it was a nice little green space. And something you don't see in every park, here on the left was Trails End Chapel. It was a little non-denominational chapel. It hasn't been being used during the pandemic, but there was a lot of activity around it while we were there, so it looks like they're getting everything cleaned up and cleared out, and they may be starting to use that again here. Between the chapel and the swimming pool that we showed you earlier was a great playground. And as we go out towards the other side of the park, you'll see a white building there on your left, and that is the bathhouse. Now, it was busy at the time we were doing the video, so I wasn't able to get pictures of the inside.
That would have just been rude.
There's fencing down along the side. And there's several rows deep going back through here, plus there's grass spaces from the bathhouse all the way out to the road. But the roads are gravel, but they went through and scraped them down to where they are smooth. The potholes have gotten filled in the last couple of weeks. There you see a heavy duty with mobile suites. There are some big rigs back in there, and it's very easy to get around. The new ownership has big plans for the park, but just seeing what they've done to it over the last couple of weeks, it's a beautiful park, and they're really taking beautiful care in getting it back to its former glory. It's definitely a place that we would recommend, and we would be very happy to stay at again.
One thing I would say, if you have dogs, up along the fence that was when we first came in, where there was that big sign. Oh, here we go. We've got
The miniature golf.
the miniature golf. That's
Yes.
right. That was cute too. But anyway, there were some little stickers in the grass, and Maggie got stickers in her feet and was reluctant to try and walk. You can see up along here, there to the right. And that was the only place that she experienced them. But we had to sit her down and pull some stickers out of her feet.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed the tour of the park. Again, it was kind of short, kind of sweet, to the point, because we weren't here for a long time, but it was a great park, and we wanted to make sure that you got a chance to see it. If you did enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed and rang the notification bell, please do so. We really do appreciate that.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.
Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos listed. Also, be sure to check out our blog at followthemoon.us and also our Facebook page at Follow the Moon and on Instagram at Follow the Moon Travel. Thanks.